Hey beauties, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today I'll be taking you guys to Hallmark to see some of the Christmas decor pieces that they have. So I walked into Hallmark and I saw some of their winter theme decor pieces. They have this specific snowman family for $34.99. One thing about Hallmark that I noticed is that their stuff are pretty pricey, and also they have their prices in USD and also in Canadian dollars. So this would be my very first time in going to this store. I've never been to this store before. This was my very first time in entering this store, and I was a bit surprised how expensive their stuff actually are. So they have a whole lot of Christmas decor pieces. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this video. I hope you like it. Please do not forget to push the subscribe button down below and also leave a comment down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So on my channel we make shopping vlog, and we do cooking, cleaning, home decor and much more. I also have a second channel where I make videos on beauty stuff like hair, makeup and much more on that channel, and I will leave a link on my second channel down below. So their coffee mug here at Hallmark was pretty expensive. I think the cheapest one that I saw was $12.99. Over here at the Hallmark they also have these Christmas slippers at Hallmark as well. I feel like they were really pretty. This one was $19.99 for these slippers. I really like this, but these slippers, these Christmas theme slippers, they were really cute. They have Christmas theme PJs as well. I think this one particular one was 30 something dollars just for the pants alone, and I feel like this is $36.99 just for the pants alone, and the sweater was I think even more. So they have a whole lot of um Christmas theme decor pieces and also Christmas wear at Hallmark. For me, I think they're pretty pricey. For this product I think you could get them cheaper, but if you're somebody who like Hallmark, you can just go ahead and check out some of the stuff they have for Christmas. They also have this Christmas bowl that has the movie marathon. I don't know, my camera is not clear that much whenever I try to take the price tag. So I think that one was $38.99. It wasn't that clear for the camera. So guys, please leave a comment down below if you go to this shop to shop on what things do you usually buy from this store. I didn't buy anything. I didn't end up buying anything. I just went inside to check them out because I've never been to this store before, and I just wanted to check it out. So their coffee mug, this is one of the cheapest coffee mug that I saw at that store. So it was a Christmas theme shopping mug for $12.99 startup. So they also have other ones like Mickey Mouse Christmas theme coffee mug, and this one I didn't see the price on it, but they were not cheap at all. They were pretty expensive. So guys, I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end. Leave a comment down below some of the stuff that you will buy. If you have been to this store before, if you do shop at this store, what are some of the things that you buy here? All right, so this particular mug was $21.99 just for this Mickey Mouse Christmas theme mug. And yes, they also have a whole lot of Mickey Mouse Christmas theme I also saw these leggings at Hallmark, and this line leggings, Christmas theme leggings. I think that they were very cute. This was one of the most affordable clothing pieces that I saw at Hallmark for, I think this was 19.99, which I don't think is that bad. So Hallmark does have some Christmas theme decoration pieces that you can use in your home or buy as a present for your friends and family. Please, I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end. Please do not forget to push the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment down below some of the things that you buy at this store if you have ever been to this store before. For me, this was my very first time, and I was liking some of their pieces, but they were pretty pricey for me. So if you do shop here, what are some of the things that you buy here? And let me know, leave a comment down below. So guys, these are some of the Hallmark home decor pieces, Christmas home decor pieces that you can buy to decorate your home. Guys, if you have watched this far, please push the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to push the bell sign so that you get notification whenever I upload any shopping vlog like this. So guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Hallmark does have a lot of Christmas present pieces. I feel like you can buy for your loved ones as a present for Christmas, and they also have really cute Christmas decor pieces that you can buy to decorate your home. So I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys next on my next shopping vlog. Guys, let me know some of the stores that you like to shop in, or some of the stuff that you like me to make videos about. So I'm going to let you guys go. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.